Hello, Finnish Lumberjack here, and let's talk about brushcutter working and a term called slicing. And if we have here a pattern, we have to do the thinning, how we should walk on this area that the work will be efficient, profitable, and we use as little steps as possible. So we take a basement where we have our lunch and gasoline and other equipment. Then we start slicing. We do this kind of slices, so we work about a half tank in that direction. We turn back and do another slice, then we do the same this direction, we come back again. So we work like this, and the basement is moving all the time when the work is going forward. So this is about a half tank. How wide should this one slice be? We take an example here. This is about 3.5 or 4 meters. And our walking line is in the middle of the slice. And when we are coming from here, there is behind our back already done area, or if we are going that direction, in our right side there is also some already done area. So we are staying here. How do we work on this slice? We start doing sectors. We start from here, so the felling direction will be that or that. Of course, because we have there free space to do the felling. Then we do that area. Now we see we have the felling direction only that. Then we take that area and again only one felling direction. Then we take that and the last that. And here the felling direction is that. So mostly we have to do the felling behind our back because there is free space, because we have been already working there. So we call this slicing, and next we will see how does it look in practice. Enjoy!